This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Laura Spiegner. Great home located in Central Merritt Island and only 10 minutes from front door to Cocoa Beach. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, with enclosed Floridaroom, indoor laundry room, and above-ground pool with built-in deck, is a perfect home for families looking to be in Central Merritt Island and in the Audubon, Jefferson/Edgewood and Merritt Island High School District. This home boasts a converted garage with its own air conditioner that can be used as an additional bedroom or bonus room. The enclosed Floridaroom will allow you to watch the kids in the pool while enjoying being inside the home and air conditioner. The home is situated on the lot with additional parking with a circle driveway. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Spiegner at 321-544-2039.